Shoes age a man faster than wrinkles, and the audience judges them before they process anything else. In the first 3 seconds, footwear silently reports posture, confidence, mobility, and even how current your style mindset is. Most men over 60 don't realize that they're wearing pairs that flatten energy, shrink presence, and drag the entire outfit into the past. So today, you're going to learn the 6 footwear traps that instantly age a man, and the sharp modern upgrades that rebuild authority from the ground up, literally. The transformation today begins with the shoe that quietly collapses your frame before you even start walking. Number 1, the cushion sneaker trap. Bulky running shoes were engineered for impact, not presence, and the geometry shows it. According to gait analysis data, over-cushioned midsoles tilt the foot forward by 3 to 5 degrees, shortening the stride and visually compressing the lower body. On men over 60, that compression reads as instability and adds unnecessary width around the ankle, instantly aging the silhouette. These sneakers weren't designed to support posture in everyday settings, which is why they break the leg line and introduce so-called visual noise to clean outfits. A modern correction is the low-profile leather trainer, structured, stable, and slim enough to maintain alignment. These work exceptionally well with dark denim, tapered chinos, and lightweight wool trousers because the sharper ankle line keeps the frame vertical instead of ballooning outward. This pairing mirrors the off-duty style rulebook of men like Pierce Brosnan, who consistently anchors casual outfits with white, tan, or graphite leather sneakers for a clean, mature presence. If you want a precise outfit rundown that never misses, do this. Gray merino quarter zip, navy straight leg chinos, white low-profile leather sneakers, and a charcoal top coat. This combination restores height, control, and calm movement. And once that foundation is set, the next shift eliminates a shoe that quietly drains presence by collapsing under your heel every single time that you take a step. Number 2, the collapsing comfort slip-ons. Flattened loafers are one of the biggest age giveaways for men over 60. Not because loafers are bad, but because most guys wear the wrong kind. When the heel collapses inward or the leather softens too much, the shoe loses its structure and makes your step look hesitant. According to clinical podiatry studies, a sagging heel counter can reduce rear foot stability by up to 40%, which translates visually as shuffling, wobbling, or careful walking, as they say. Even in a great outfit, that movement sends an instant message. Older, slower, less confident. Outdated loafers also tend to have chunky stitching, overly square toes, and shiny plastic-like leather. Design cues that scream 1990s office wear. They fight against modern silhouettes like tailored chinos, trim cords, and fitted sweaters, dragging the entire outfit backward. The update is the modern structured loafer. Think sleek penny loafers, Belgian-style loafers, or slim horsebit designs made with firmer leather and a supportive midsole. These sharpen the foot's outline and they reinforce a vertical line through the ankle, which pairs exceptionally well with camel trousers, charcoal denim, navy knitwear, and winter blazers. If you want a polished, effortless winter combo, go for this one. Camel merino sweater, charcoal tailored cords, dark brown structured penny loafers, and a navy wool coat. It's timeless, balanced, and quietly powerful. Next, we're going to eliminate the shoe that instantly adds 10 visual years because of one outdated detail that men overlook every winter. Number 3, the bulky old man sneaker. Nothing ages a man faster than those oversized, marshmallow-looking comfort sneakers that almost every guy over 60 buys out of sheer habit. You know the look. Thick white soles, puffy panels, shiny mesh, and that orthopedic silhouette that just screams doctor recommended. Yeah, they're comfortable, but they instantly telegraph fragility instead of style. Footwear labs have shown that overly cushioned outsoles can actually destabilize lateral movement, causing the foot to roll and the knees to overcompensate. Translation, you don't look smoother, you look like you're adjusting with each step. And the visual problem is even worse. The massive bulk of the shoe shortens the leg line, widens the ankle, and competes with trousers. Wide soles and busy textures all pull the eye downward, making the whole outfit feel heavier and, well, older. The modern alternative is simple: sleek leather or suede low-profile sneakers with a clean silhouette. Think minimalist trainers. No giant logos, no exaggerated soles, no reflective mesh. Just smooth, structured grown man design. If you want a sneaker that quietly raises your whole look, here's the sweet spot. White or cream leather for casual refinement, charcoal or navy suede for winter smart casual, or rich brown leather for dressed up comfort. Pair them with tailored denim, wool joggers, or a merino quarter zip, and you instantly look contemporary, not like you're headed to physical therapy. Number 4, the square toe slip-on. There is no shoe that ages a man faster instantly than the classic square toe slip-on. They were everywhere in the early 2000s, and too many men over 60 have kept them as their dress shoes. But today, that shape signals one thing: dated, tired, and disconnected from modern style. Okay, 3 things. Well, here's the visual problem. The square toe interrupts the natural taper of the foot, making it look blocky and heavy. Podiatric design research actually shows that excessively flat, squared fronts often cause the foot to slide forward due to a lack of anatomical shaping. That leads to sloppy steps, heel slippage, and a very weird shuffling motion that instantly add years. And the style issue goes even deeper. Square toe slip-ons distort proportions by shortening the leg visually and widening the shoe's silhouette, so trousers don't drape cleanly. This creates what stylists call a collapsed break, where the hem pulls or kicks out awkwardly. Modern outfits can't survive that. The upgrade? Rounded or almond toe leather shoes. Follow this simple lineup for it: derbies for relaxed refinement, Chelsea boots for a modern edge, or minimal loafers, penny or horsebit for sharp casual wear. These shapes elongate the foot, clean up the line of the trousers, and communicate decisiveness instead of resignation. Number 5, the bulky running sneaker. The big cushion running sneaker seems harmless, comfortable, supportive, familiar, but on a man over 60, it quietly derails the entire silhouette. The oversized foam soles and wide mesh uppers all add mass in all of the wrong places, creating what footwear designers call bottom-heavy distortion. Once the shoe gets too bulky, the legs shorten visually, the stride looks heavier, and the outfit loses its structure. Performance footwear labs have found that thick sole runners widen the stance and exaggerate outward foot rotation in slower-paced walking. That subtle shift makes trousers flare, hems catch on the shoe edges, and the body overall appear less coordinated. This is why well-dressed older men, think Harrison Ford in off-duty photos or Stanley Tucci walking in Soho, very rarely rely on maximalist runners outside of the gym. The better move is a sleek comfort sneaker built with orthopedic support inside a streamlined profile. Look for the following: leather or suede uppers, low, even midsoles, and neutral, non-athletic colorways. Think Cole Haan's Grand Series minimal sneakers, common project-style silhouettes, or refined athletic leather hybrids. These pair effortlessly with chinos, wool trousers, and dark denim, preserving adult polish while keeping the comfort non-negotiable. The bulky runner says, "I'm prioritizing convenience over presence." But the refined sneaker says, "I move comfortably and intentionally." And finally, number 6, the ages you overnight trainer. Chunky mesh trainers are the silent style killer for men over 60 because they combine 3 aging effects in one shoe: visual bulk, material breakdown, and color distortion over time. Footwear durability studies show that mesh oxidizes and yellows up to 40% faster than leather when exposed to everyday light and moisture. The foam-heavy soles flatten with wear, which lowers the heel angle and it shifts your weight forward, subtly collapsing your posture. All of this creates a look that's wider, flatter, and far less coordinated, especially under jeans or relaxed trousers. And this is why older celebrities with consistently sharp casual style, think Richard Gere, Denzel Washington, Jeff Goldblum, they avoid chunky mesh trainers entirely. They lean into structured footwear that creates clean lines and keeps the outfit lifted, as they say. The smarter upgrade is the structured mid-top leather trainer or hybrid sneaker boot. These modern options offer better ankle stability, a narrower silhouette that visually lengthens the leg, leather panels that age instead of degrade, and enough cushioning without ballooning the shape. So here's how to make those modern sneakers look like you actually planned the outfit without overthinking it. 1. Dark denim plus mid-top brown or charcoal leather sneakers. If you want a grounded, confident look for everyday wear, this combo is unbeatable. Clean ankle line, strong silhouette, zero fuss. 2. Tapered joggers plus black or tan hybrid sneaker boot. This is your comfortable but still sharp outfit. Perfect for travel, errands, or the days when you want ease without looking sloppy. And 3. Casual chinos plus cream or olive minimalist high tops. This is the secret weapon. Instantly modern, effortless, and age-proof. It gives you that stylish older guy energy without trying too hard. This switch alone can make a man look 5 years sharper and noticeably more athletic. And so, now that all 6 outdated shoes are replaced, your entire wardrobe now sits on a modern, confident foundation. Footwear isn't just an accessory, gentlemen. It is the architecture of your style. Every one of these 6 upgrades sharpens posture, strengthens presence, and removes the visual noise that silently ages men over 60. When your shoes are modern, structured, and intentional, every outfit above them instantly looks more refined. These are the same principles followed by the best-dressed mature men in Hollywood and real life. Clean lines, stable silhouettes, and shoes that support the frame instead of weighing it down. Now, if you want deeper breakdowns, outfit rundowns, and more transformations like this one, do us a favor. Hit like and also hit subscribe and explore the playlist that is just waiting for you. Because the moment that you fix your footwear, your entire style levels up. See you all in the next one.